In this video, we'll show you how you can turn off the direct message feature in Discord. If you are tired of unwanted messages flooding your Discord inbox, then this video is for you. We will be doing this on our desktop, and the process is the same for both the website version of Discord, or if you have the Discord app downloaded on your PC or laptop. So when you open Discord and log into your account, you want to find the little gear icon in the bottom left of the screen in order to open our user settings. Once you open the settings, you'll have a bunch of options on the left side of the screen, but what you want to click on is Privacy and Safety section right here. And in order to disable or turn off our direct messages feature, we want to scroll down on this page until you can see the Server Privacy Defaults section. And turn off this Allow Direct Messages from Server Members. When we toggle this off, we'll get this pop-up asking us if we want to apply this change to all of our existing servers. And if you select yes, the direct message feature will be turned off for every server which you are a part of. I'll select yes, and that's it. We had successfully disabled the direct messages feature on Discord on PC. If you want to watch more Discord tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next video.